So the next task is a task 18E. It says the open the file saved in a task 18D. Add new data entry forms to collect data for all fields in both of the tables. Okay, so in 18D we have created or we have inserted two tables, and now we have to create a form for both these two tables. Okay, so I'll go to open the last file, that database, that is the 18D, task 18D. So this is a task 18D in which two tables are opened over here, that is a TBL student and TBL teachers. Okay, TBL means table. If the prefix we use to denote the table, so we can identify this particular entity is nothing but the table. Okay, so table students and table teachers are available here. Now we have to create a new form. To create a new form, here create option is given. Okay, when you click on a create option, form wizard is there. Either you can create a form design, but the form wizard is easy to create a form, is used to easy to create a form. Wizard gives you a ready-made all these steps so that you have to enter only the fields. Once we have entered the field, automatically you will get a form created. Okay, now click on a form wizard. When you click on a form wizard, the wizard will open here. Now here a first table selected, that is a TBL students. So this table is selected. Now we are going to add a different fields for the form. If you want to add a single entity or single field, then you can select it and click on this arrow, so that the single selected field will add over here. But if you want to add all these fields, then you can click on this double greater than sign, so that all the fields are transferred or get selected. Okay, if anybody don't want to select, then you can select it and you can click on a less than sign, so that it will transfer to the available fields. Okay, so here we want to add all the available fields. So here field is added. Now I'm removing all these to one side and again transferring to selected fields. Now see, click on a next. Okay, the message is asking what layout would you like your form, columnar, tabular, datasheet, or just bin. I will select columnar and click on a select. Okay, now here it asks that what title do you want to use for your form. So if you are going to create a form, then here we have to assign a prefix FRM, and other things will keep common, that is FRM students. Okay, so FRM students, we have giving a name to the first form. Now the form is created, the FRM students form is created. Here we are getting the student ID is here, student name is given over here, student S name is given here, English teacher is given here, math teacher is given here, science teacher is given over here. If you want to see the next record, you can click over here at the bottom side, the record forward and backward. You can transfer backward to see the record, or you can transfer to the forward for next record to see the next record. A previous record or next record you can see by using this arrows. Now next record is there. When you click on the next record will display on the screen. If you want to see the previous record, you can click on a back arrow, so that it will show you previous record. Okay, suppose if you want to see the last record, you can click over here to see the last record. So this is the last record, that is 188th record. Okay, and if you want to see the first record, you can click over the first arrow, that is the arrow plus vertical line, that will give you the first record on screen or on the form. Okay, so this is about the form creation for student table. Now we can create same form for the TBL table teacher. Okay, so here I'm going to create a form wizard. and form for the table teachers. Okay, then all you have to add in a selected field, click on a next, and tabular form is okay, click on a next. Here table, instead of a table teacher we can use FRM teacher and click on a finish. So here is next table created form, that is a FRM teacher. Okay, something in here we can rename it, that is FRM. Okay, it is selected, so it is not getting changed. Just a minute, I close it here, and here I'm going to rename it. That is I made a mistake that here L was added. So here now FRM teachers is here, we can open that form over here, FRM teacher. Okay, and in FRM teacher there are total 5 different fields are given, and you can change the record from here. Okay, so in this task we have to create only 2 forms. So here we have completed this task. Now we're going to store this, save this task using name 18E. Okay, so file, save as, save object as, save as. First of all we are going to save FRM teachers. So here I'm going to save FRM teachers. Okay, and the second is I'm going to store file, save as, save project, save FRM student. Okay, so here FRM students and FRM teachers are get stored. Okay, so